Brana Kelly is an associate attorney at Woodburn and Wedge who brings an international perspective to her practice in Reno. A native of Ireland, Brana studied law at the Queen's University Belfast in Ireland, and she spent her third year in Spain studying Spanish law, Spanish language, and other European languages. After graduation, she moved to New York. She passed the New York bar exam and began her practice at a nationally renowned firm focusing on commercial defense litigation in New York City. Brana moved to Reno in 2016, where she refocused her practice to family law. She quickly built upon her professional skills by attending the National Family Law Trial Institute, and she wrote about her experience in Nevada Lawyer magazine's November 2019 issue. She penned a similar article in the National Family Lawyer magazine. But when not building her practice, Brana finds time to immerse herself in the legal community. She is a member of the Young Lawyers section of the State Bar of Nevada, and she's assisted in the organizing of the upcoming Mountain West Regional Summit Young Lawyers Conference. She currently serves as the Young Lawyer Representative on the Access to Justice Commission and works with commission members to assess civil legal service needs and develop statewide policies designed to support and improve the delivery of legal services to Nevadans in need. She is also the secretary of the Northern Nevada Women Lawyers Association and previously served as its communications chair, where she planned and organized CLEs and social events. She also finds time to volunteer as a lawyer in the lobby on family law nights and is a committee member for the Ronald McDonald House Charities. The State Bar of Nevada is honored to recognize Brana Kelly as the 2020 Young Lawyer of the Year. One of the most important issues facing the State Bar in 2019 was the issue of reciprocity, whether Nevada should join the 45 other states that have granted some type of reciprocal bar licensure in one form or another.
Frankly, Nevada's falling behind. Of the 50 states, only 4 allow no form of reciprocity. Nevada's one of them. 2 of the others are Louisiana and Florida. Those are 2 states, whether it's K through 12 education or presidential elections, that you rarely want to be associated with.
Mr. Belto, you mentioned that Nevada seems to be falling behind states like Louisiana and Florida, and that we wouldn't want to associate ourselves with a state like, let's use Louisiana, for example, my home state. I'm from.
The State Bar's Board of Governors was evenly split on this issue, as were Nevada attorneys. So the board decided to bring this important topic to a discussion before the bar membership at the 2019 annual meeting. 2 talented attorneys stepped up to take on this critical task. Kevin Speed and Alex Velto agreed to participate in a Lincoln Douglas-style formal debate at the annual meeting. These experienced debaters set the rules. Velto argued the affirmative.
The second reason to adopt reciprocity is that it benefits Nevada lawyers and improves the quality of service we provide. Consistent with the idea of a new Nevada economy, where Nevada is attempting to diversify, making itself a marketplace for large corporations, we need to make it accessible for our attorneys to practice in other states. Reciprocity allows for our attorneys to be multifaceted and allows for them to represent their clients where their clients need them to.
And Speed took the opposing position regarding reciprocity.
I'm here to present the position that says reciprocity is not something that's recommended for us, and it's not the best way for us to continue to do business inside our state. Reciprocity in the Silver State is a trendy solution in search of a problem.
Their spirited debate heightened awareness of this important issue and spurred discussion that continues to this day. The true winners of such an event are the members of the State Bar, whose viewpoints have been informed and enriched by Kevin and Alex's contributions. Kevin Speed is currently a Chief Deputy Public Defender for the Clark County Public Defender's Sexual Assault Defense Unit. He has first chaired 25 criminal trials and has argued influential cases before the Nevada Supreme Court. Prior to practicing in Nevada, Kevin received the Topper Eagle Award for Outstanding Achievement and Service at the Ohio State University's Moritz College of Law Moot Court Program. At the time of the annual meeting, Alex Velto served as a clerk to Justice James Hardesty and had graduated with honors from the UNLV Boyd School of Law. In law school, Alex was a member of the Society of Advocates, where he participated in the National First Amendment Moot Court Competition in Washington, D.C., and the National Student Trial Advocacy Mock Trial Competition. He also coaches the McQueen High School debate team in Reno, which has consistently placed in the top 15 high school debate teams in the country. The State Bar of Nevada is proud to recognize Kevin Speed and Alex Velto as the 2020 Volunteers of the Year. This year, the State Bar of Nevada is pleased to present the Medal of Justice Award to the Advisory Commission on the Administration of Justice. Tasked with studying Nevada's criminal justice system, the Commission meets between each Nevada legislative session and makes recommendations for improvements. In 2018, state leadership tasked the Commission with conducting a comprehensive assessment of the state's criminal justice system. Following a series of public comment meetings and work sessions, the Commission delivered a comprehensive set of criminal justice reform recommendations to the legislature that address several policies, including behavioral health, sentencing, release, supervision, and reinvestment and sustainability. The legislation is expected to avert an estimated $543 million in state spending over the next 10 years. In addition, AB 236 was signed into law effective July 2020. This new law lowers various criminal penalties, increases diversion programs, and makes several other tweaks to the state's criminal justice code. The State Bar of Nevada commends the Commission members for their work during the 2017 and 2018 interim legislative session that resulted in these reforms. And we are honored to announce the Advisory Commission on the Administration of Justice as the recipient of the 2020 Medal of Justice Award. Accepting the award on behalf of the Advisory Commission on the Administration of Justice are 2018 co-chairs, Justice James Hardesty and Assemblyman Steve Yeager.